The first set of keyboard shortcuts is copy and pasting. Press Ctrl and C at the same time to copy a text. Press Ctrl and V at the same time to paste this text anywhere else. You can also use Ctrl X to cut the text, which is the same thing as copying, except it'll delete the text at the same time. And then you can also use Ctrl V to paste this anywhere else. This next set of shortcuts deals with the screen size. Press Ctrl and plus at the same time to make the screen bigger. Press Ctrl and minus at the same time to make the screen smaller. And press Ctrl and 0 at the same time to reset the screen size. This next set of shortcuts deals with going forwards and backwards in your tab search history. Press Alt and the right arrow to go forwards in your tab search history. This is the same thing as pressing the right arrow at the top left corner of your browser. Press Alt and the left arrow to go backwards in your tab search history. This is the same thing as pressing the left arrow at the top left corner of your browser. This next set of shortcuts deals with tabs. Press Ctrl T to open a new tab. Press Ctrl N to open a new window. Press Ctrl L to open the search bar. Press Ctrl R to reload the current tab. Press Ctrl Tab to go to the next tab. Press Ctrl 9 to go to the farthest tab on the right, and then you can do Ctrl plus any number from 1 to 8 to swap between tabs. For example, Ctrl 1 will go to the first tab, the farthest to the left. Ctrl 2 will go to the tab that's the second farthest to the left, and so on. Here are some useful keyboard shortcuts that don't really fall into any of the previously mentioned categories. Press Alt Search to toggle the caps lock feature. Press Alt and backspace to use the delete key, which deletes the text that is to the right of your cursor. Press Alt and the left square bracket to set the current window to the left half of the screen. Press Alt and the right square bracket to set the current window to the right half of the screen. And if you'd like a full list of other shortcuts, type Control, Alt, and then /. Thank you for watching.